Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll walk you through, step by step, how to send US dollars to Venezuela. Since international transfers can be tricky with Venezuelan banks, I'll show you the safest and most common methods people use. Let's get started. Option 1. Use international money transfer services. Platforms like Western Union, MoneyGram, or Remitly allow you to send dollars online. On your browser, log into the service, enter the recipient's full name, ID details, and select Venezuela as the destination. Choose cash pickup or, if available, deposit into a local account. The recipient can collect the funds at a partner location in Venezuela with their identification. Option 2. Use digital wallets or fintechs. Some services, such as PayPal with local exchangers, or platforms like Airtman Zelle via intermediaries, let you send money digitally. In these cases, you send dollars to the platform, and the recipient receives either USD credits or bolívares converted at the market rate. Always verify that the service you're using is trusted before transferring. Option 3. Bank transfers to US accounts. If your recipient has a US bank account, you can send them dollars directly as a domestic or international transfer. They can then use their own network to move funds to Venezuela. This is often faster and cheaper if both sender and recipient have US accounts. Important tips. Double-check all recipient details before confirming. Compare fees and exchange rates between services, as they can vary widely. Start with a small test amount before sending larger sums. Sending dollars to Venezuela works best when you choose reliable platforms and verify the recipient's ability to collect or use the funds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.